Bitch, I couldn't catch a break, now I'm catching flights. I get money every day, bitch, I'm moving right. Hella diamonds on my body, bitch, I'm full of ice. I like fucking up a bag, don't care about the price. Bitch, I couldn't catch a break, now I'm catching flights. I get money every day, bitch, I'm moving right. Hella diamonds on my body, bitch, I'm full of ice. I like fucking up a bag, don't care about the price.
Nigga, my body cold. Walk in the court like fuck your honor, nigga, I never told. I got a white bitch like Madonna, she tryna snatch my soul. These niggas bite just like piranhas, he tryna match my flow. I mismatch my clothes, mansion full of hoes. Walked up in the party, bitches tooting up they nose. These niggas on my body, but niggas don't want no smoke. That bitch found out that we famous, now I'm in her throat.
Bitch, I couldn't catch a break, now I'm catching flights. I get money every day, bitch, I'm moving right. Hella diamonds on my body, bitch, I'm full of ice. I like fucking up a bag, don't care about the price. Bitch, I couldn't catch a break, now I'm catching flights. I get money every day, bitch, I'm moving right. Hella diamonds on my body, bitch, I'm full of ice. I like fucking up a bag, don't care about the price.
Synchro.
In love with this money, it's driving me crazy, I think that I'm losing control. These niggas be hating, I gotta stay focused, I can't let it fuck with my soul. Shorty a thug, she act like an angel, but I know she really a hoe. I did this shit on my own, this thing got me moving so slow. I'm reminiscing on all.
Alright, we starting on car number 2.
Hope I don't run into none of my ops, cause they just gon' hate me some more. I'ma be fucked up from all of this Henny I poured. She got me fucked up, I'm kicking that bitch in the door. I got these broke niggas sick, giving these niggas Ebola. Fill up my cup and I sip, drinking all Henny, no cola. Nigga, I blowed on the zip, bitch, you know I am a stoner. Drinking since I was a jit, I had that Motorola. Flexing, finessing that loot, mixing this in with that lean like a soup. Still in the hood like a Timberland boot. My niggas posted and packing like troops. Keezy, you know how I do. Bitch, I'm a savage from head to my shoe. Smoking on dope, I don't fuck with no jewel. Popping my collar, my nigga, I'm cool. In love with this money, it's driving me crazy, I think that I'm losing control. These niggas be hating, I gotta stay focused, I can't let it fuck with my soul. Shorty a thug, she act like an angel, but I know she really a hoe. I did this shit on my own, this thing got me moving so slow. I'm reminiscing on all of the days that I used to sleep on the floor. Hope I don't run into none of my ops, cause they just gon' hate me some more. I'ma be fucked up from all of this Henny I poured. She got me fucked up, I'm kicking that bitch to the door.
And they can't forget about us. Only in God we trust.
Even this shit crazy.
I'm trying to conquer my lust. I'm trying to stop all these drugs. Drip when I walk in the club. Niggas, they see me in mugs. They bitch give me hugs. Only thing I'm spreading is love. I'm from a city of hate. Had to escape. They want me fall on my face. I won't go back to the apartment. Shit was the hardest. I had to turn to an artist. Had to reap what I sow like a garden. Now that bitch on my dick like a garment. Some of my niggas write checks, they fraudulent. Bitch try to trap me with sex, I dodged it. And I always been Pete, it's obvious. I ain't competing with sheep, they garbage. In the weakest, the niggas be loudest. Young niggas shit, but we never been childish.